If you are a pet owner and you are looking for a cordless hoover to help with all that pet hair, I'm here today to show you my Shark DuoClean that we have had for about a year and a half now, and Neo's here with me to show you as well how we get his hairs off our rug. So Neo has a love-hate relationship with this, but here it is, the DuoClean. As you can see, it is nice and tall. It's got the compartment here where the hairs and the dirt and the dust and all
so
Neo's
here to investigate. Wanted to show you how easy it is to take the battery off.
Very
It's
easily.
rechargeable, and you don't have to have the whole Hoover on, so it comes off really easily like that, and it goes back on very easily as well.
Like this.
There we go.
There are two
settings on it, so you can do the carpet and you can do a bare floor. So I'm going to show you it here on a rug that needs to be cleaned. Thanks to these scamps, now just one button goes down and turns it on to
how easy it is to use,
as you can see,
is it just glides along. It really just glides along, and you just do it in strokes up and down. It's actually goes right down as well. So you've got tables or chairs or dressing tables that you want to go under as well. It goes right down,
and it bends down. Look, it goes right under, so to get under the tables and stuff as well.
Dark hallway, and it's very easy to change the setting. But wait till you see the difference here in this. You have half the
difference already.
And then look at the difference from one side
look
to
at
the
that.
Other. It's so quick,
it
so
is
easy.
A great buy, guys. Honestly, highly recommended.
If you've got dogs. So this is a big enough
Every
of a roll,
household
so
needs
it doesn't take too long though.
Especially if you
this
have
is
dogs.
An absolute necessity
It
for
is so
anybody's
good for
home,
pet
I
hair,
think,
look.
but especially if you've got
Incredible.
dogs and pets
There you go.
that are losing their hair. 10 out of 10 from us here.
Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick unboxing and a review of this Tineco Floor 1 S5 vacuum mop. It has a lot of fun features that come with it. There's a lot of different versions of this vacuum mop, but I think that this one is the best one. Let me get you a little closer and show you how to put it together and some of the fun features that I like the best. It comes with everything you need in the box. It has cleaning solution, the stand that it comes with, and then it's very easy to assemble. You just put the stick right into the vacuum and it'll click into place. When you're not using the vacuum, it can sit onto the stand, and that's how it charges. It also has two little containers that go on the side to hold the extra pieces. The plug goes right into the back, and then you are able to plug it in and start charging it. One of the features that I really like is that it comes with eye loop, which is where if you run over a very dirty or sticky area, that it will use extra suction and extra water to get up all the debris. One thing you do need to do with this vacuum is to do the self-cleaning cycle and then empty the dirty water tank. I also like to take apart the pieces and let them air dry before I put them back on. Cleaning is very easy. You just take the dirty water tank out, take out the pieces and dump out the dirty water, and then I like to do a quick rinse. Both dirty and clean water tank click right into place, and then you are able to remove the mop, and I also like to let that air dry too. This is my second vacuum mop. My first one I've had for about 4 months and have not had any issues with it smelling. This mop also comes with a self-cleaning cycle, which makes cleaning up a breeze. As a mom of 4 kids and a dog who has fairly messy floors, I highly recommend this.
Hi, my name's Alicia. I'm about to clean the camper, so I thought I'd hop on and do a quick review on our Bissell Spin Wave Steam Mop. It's really easy to use, definitely affordable. I love it. It's nice and small, so it fits great in the camper if we have to take it. This pad just pops right on the bottom, kind of clicks into place, and then you just hit the on button, and you tilt this back just to kind of activate the touch screen. There's an option for steam or no steam, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and hit steam and just show you how this kind of works. And then it really kind of pulls itself. And then it'll start pumping the steam out once it gets to the right temperature. Like I said, it's definitely affordable. It does a really great job cleaning. We have a chocolate lab and he brings in all kinds of mud. We also have 2 toddlers, a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, and it cleans up their messes pretty well too. So if you're looking for a good steam mop, I definitely recommend Bissell, the Bissell Spin Wave.
All right, guys, I have the Pet cordless stick vacuum here, and this has been so nice. I've had this since last Christmas, so about a year old now, and I just want to give you guys a quick review of how I've been liking it. So my favorite feature here, if you can see, is when you have it on, it has this bright light that goes on it, different than other vacuums I've had. I've turned my lights off in my house, and you can see so much dirt. This is really helpful and a useful tool. I also like how it has 2 settings, so I can change it while I'm vacuuming, and it goes from hardwood and to carpet. So you just push that button down and it goes to either one of them, and I can switch in between without having to turn my vacuum off, which is awesome. I have a 3,400 square foot house, mostly of hardwood, and then I have throw rugs mixed in, and then a basement of carpet, and this can do all of them. It works really, really well. Another thing I really like about this vacuum is that it's super easy to empty and to clean. All you do on the side is you push down and it dumps out all that dirt and grime into the trash can. And if you can see, there is so much dirt inside this vacuum. This is just from a day of vacuuming. It really does pick up all the things that it needs to pick up on your carpet and your hardwood. So you just push it back and then you plug it back into your vacuum. Really, it only takes about 30 seconds to empty and then you're good to go again. So super simple to use. This also can disconnect and you can use it with different attachments. So it still works even if it's not plugged into the wall and it's not plugged into the vacuum. All you do is take that attachment. This is the pet hair attachment that it comes with, and you plug it in and you are good to go and you can turn it on. And it just has a button to disconnect those as well. So here is the other one. This is for crevices. I like to use this in my couch or in corners that are hard to reach or on my stairs. So I really like the 2 attachments that it comes with. They are really useful. So then you plug it back into your vacuum, and I'm going to show you kind of how it works. So it always has that light on, which is really nice. And then here I have some cracker crumbs that I'm vacuuming up, and it does a really good job at just picking them all up. This cup that it comes with also holds a ton of dirt inside of it. I really don't have to empty it that often. Also, you see it goes really easy from carpet to hardwood. It can go in between the 2, and you just push that button as you're vacuuming, and it changes from both of them. So I like that this is just really easy to swivel. It's really lightweight. I feel like I am not dreading vacuuming anymore. It's super easy. Has that bright light on the front that really helps you see all that dirt on your floor. Super nice to have. I really like the slender design of this. It is really easy to use, really lightweight, and it disconnects in multiple places to be able to clean and make sure it's nice. So also something to note on the bottom, it has this nice roller, and I don't feel like hair gets stuck in it. It has nice rubber wheels that move really well. And this is a smaller vacuum, and it's a stick style, so all the dirt has to go up this tube. So you want to make sure you're cleaning it. So it has these little notches you just turn. I use a butter knife to turn them. You take it out, and you can clean all that dirt and grime that gets in there and in that hole. So make sure you aren't picking up huge pieces of paper and stuff because that hole is not super huge. But I like that you have the option to get in there and clean it pretty easily. So all I'm doing here is you just turn it and lock it, and then you're good to go to vacuum again. I've been really impressed with the quality of this. It doesn't take very long to charge. It comes with a little charging cord that you plug in at the top, and it charges really fast. And it has a 40-minute runtime, which allows me to do my 3,400 square foot house all in one try before it dies. We've been really impressed with the quality of this. I would highly recommend this vacuum.
Hi, my name's Alicia. I wanted to give you my honest review on the Shark cordless vacuum. I definitely love it. The attachments are great. I wanted to give you a quick rundown of how everything works. The battery life is 40 minutes, which is great too. You can pop the battery off and charge it on the vacuum or off the vacuum. This section pops off for your countertops. And also when you're ready to empty, you just push this button and it empties right into the trash. The flex to reach option was what definitely sold me. I have 2 toddlers, and after every meal we are vacuuming underneath the bar stools. So that option was really wonderful. And then for your high ceilings, you have your next attachment. So it works great. We also live in kind of a sandy area, and I've had no issues with it vacuuming up all the sand that my toddlers bring in. So if you're looking for a great vacuum that's cordless and has a long runtime and is also very lightweight, I highly recommend the Shark cordless.